Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, today let us study about in your 8th standard data handling is the in your previous class also you learn about only data handling. Dear students, you learn about in your previous class under data handling the some graphs are here: pictograph, bar graph, double bar graph, this like diagram also here, and also you learn about in your previous class 6th, 7th also only data. The data means the collection of information. The collection of information is called data. What is the handling? Data handling. You can handle the data. And also, dear students, in the data, you can classification to. There are two types of data are here. First one is in the data, the collection of information is divided into two types. One is grouped data, one is ungrouped data. What are the grouped data and ungrouped data? Once again, check yourself once again. The first one is what? Data. In the data, two parts are here. Two parts. The data is information. The collection of information. Collection of information. Information is called data. Got it? The data means the collection of information. In the data, there are two types are here. One is ungrouped data. Ungrouped data. Ungrouped data. Ungrouped data. Ungrouped data. And second one is grouped data. Grouped data. Grouped data is that. Dear students, in the grouped data and ungrouped data, you can study about the same as it is the collection of information. The collection of information in the grouped and ungrouped also is here. What are the ungrouped and grouped data? Okay. The data is collection of information. In the divided into two types. One is ungrouped data and also grouped data is the group means the collection of information and the collection of group wise. Only you can collect in the form of group. But in the ungrouped means ungrouped, that is not a group. For example number 1, you can collection of the information. One example is the collection of all days in a week. One example is the example is collection of all days in a week. How many days are here? 7 days. 7 days. What are the 7 days? First one is what? Sunday. Next Monday. Next Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. And Saturday. This is over. The collection of information is over. This is only ungrouped data. This is ungrouped data. Sunday is separately, and also Monday is also separate. Tuesday is also separate. Wednesday is also separate. Thursday is also separate. All are independent. All are independent. Therefore, this is ungrouped data. This example is ungrouped data. Example number 2. You can take any one example of 2 is your choose anyone. For example, the collection of all months in a year. How many months are here? Only 12 months are here. That is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are all 12 months. This is also the ungrouped data is there. These all are independent. This is not grouped data. This also ungrouped data is there. Ungrouped data, these are ungrouped data. And also, example number 3 is what? Example number 3, find or collect the information, collection of 5 students 6 students or 10 students. 10 students. 10 students. Students. Favorite subject. Favorite subject. Collection of information. Collection of information or collection of 10 students. Collection of 10 students. Favorite subject. Okay. The answer is first student asked only English. Second student maths. Next third student science. Science. Fourth student asked only SS. The next fifth students Hindi. Next one is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last students asked only English, Kannada. And also repeated numbers are here. Next you can again some more students are asked only maths. And one more maths. One more science. One more SS. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remaining two students asked only science and Kannada. This is also one information. This is also one information, collection of information. This is also ungrouped data. This is also ungrouped data. But what about group data? You can learn about next one. First, we can study about only ungrouped data. Ungrouped data. Second example ungrouped. And third one also ungrouped data is there. This is like all information is called ungrouped data is there. Dear students, in the ungrouped data, you can write in the frequency distribution table is there. You can write in the frequency distribution table. How to write the frequency distribution? What is the frequency distribution table? You can write this like therefore, write in the frequency distribution. You can write in the table. Table wise this like. First one is what? You can write in the third example in your frequency distribution table. Third example is what? The collection of 10 students. Favorite subjects. Therefore, you can write in tables. One side is subjects. One side is subjects. Students. One side is students. This is your table. You can write how many subjects are here? 6 subjects only. I can remove second example or first example also. First example. Next one, Kannada, English, Hindi, SS, Science, Maths. This is your frequency distribution table. Frequency distributive table. You can write it frequency distribution table on only example 3. Right. Therefore, the total 6 subjects are here. In 10 students, favorite subjects. Okay, this is your frequency distribution table. You can write in the example 3 on the frequency distribution. One side is subjects are here. One column is students are here. First one is Kannada. Kannada subjects. How many students are favorite Kannada subjects? How many students? One student. 2 students. Only 2 students are here. Kannada. 2 students are interesting. What about next? English. How many students are interested in English? Only 1 student. Where is 1? Only 1 subject. Only 1 student is favorite subject. Next one is what? Hindi. How many students interested in Hindi? Only 1 student. Only 1 student. What about next? SS. How many students are interested in SS? Social science. 1, 2. 2 students are interested in social science. 2 students interested. Next, science. How many students are interested in science? 1, 2 students are interested. 2 students. Next, maths. How many students are interested in mathematics? 1, 2, 3. Therefore, 3 students are interested in mathematics subject. This is frequency distribution table. What is the meaning of frequency? The frequency means the The students are frequency. This column is what? Frequency. This is frequency. The frequency means the times. That is times. Kannada how many times? 2 times. That is frequency. The frequency of Kannada. Next, English how many times? That is 1 time. That is frequency. Next, maths. Maths how many times? That is 3 times. Interesting is that is frequency. Frequency means that is times of obtained or times of given objects. This like that is frequency. This is frequency distributed table. What is? Okay. Example 3 only you can write in the distribution table, but otherwise example 2 and example 1 is cannot be expressed in the distribution table. For example, you can write in this distribution table a collection of days in a week. Days in a week. One side is day is only that is not able to write the frequency distribution table, because in a week Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What is? This is very easy, sir. This is very easy. The all are only one time is sir. One time is sir. This is not able to write the. This is not necessary about the distribution table, frequency distribution table, because all are independent results. This is also example 2 also cannot express in the frequency distribution table, because that is all are independent results. When the repeated objects. When the repeated object you can write in the frequency distribution table under group are ungrouped, only ungrouped data. This is also ungrouped data. You can write it ungrouped data in the frequency distribution table when the objects are repeated. When the repeated you can write in the frequency distribution table. Got it? This is the frequency distribution table. These 3 examples are ungrouped data. Next one you can write. Study about only group and ungroup. Ungroup is over. The next one is group is the group. What are the group? Example number 4. Example number 4 is the, for example, collection of all prime numbers less than 10. This also one information is one example is the collection of all prime number less than 10. What are the answers? Answer is what? 2 is prime, 3 is prime, the next 5 is prime, 7 only over, only 4 numbers are here. This is also one collection of data is the. This is also one example. You can write only in the ungrouped data. This is not group, only ungrouped data is there. Ungrouped data, and also you cannot able to write in your frequency distribution table. Okay. Hagadra now idanna frequency distribution table olaga bariyo avashyakate illa. Yakandra all values are different, independents are here. Therefore, you can write only directly in the row wise. This is only ungrouped data. And second one example is what? Example number 5, collection of all even numbers less than 20. Therefore, you can write this like 2 is even, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 is the more than less. These all are even numbers. Okay. This is ungrouped data. You can construction also group data also no problem. You can rearrangement of the group also no problem. Example number 6. You can write ODI cricket. IPL score by batsmen. batsman. Wait. Don't write this one. This is not here. Next, you can different. Example number 6 one. You can choose obtain collection of 20 students. 20 students obtain marks out of 25. 20 students marks. Which subject? Total marks percentage. One student 25%. Only out of 25% total marks. Only obtain marks in mathematics. Marks in maths. Therefore, one student got 25, 24, 20, 18, 16, 18, 25, 24, 23, 22, 18, 12, 24, 30, 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 22, 19, 21, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 students are here. This is one information is that you can write in your, this is also ungrouped data, but this is ungrouped data is lengthy process is that you can write in the frequency distribution table. The frequency distribution table is what? You can write this like frequency distribution table is very easy. That is what? One side is marks. Number of students. One side is number of students. Number of students. Okay. Therefore, the first one is what? Which one is smallest mass? 12. 12 is smallest mass. 12 mass only one student is there. What about next? 12 next is what? 16 is there. 13 is there. 13. 12 is over. Next 13. 13 is only one student. You can write in systematic way. Marks, number of students. Okay. First one, 12 marks only one student. 13 marks only one student. Next one is what? 14 is here. No. 15 is not here. Next 16 is the 16. Only one student. Next 17. 17, how many students are there? 17? Only one. Only one is there. 17 also one is there. Next 18. 18 is one time, two time, three time. Next 17 also two time is there. 17 also two time is there. 18 is three time, four time is there. 18 is four time. Next 19, how many times? 19. Only one time is 19 is there. Only one time 19. Next 20. 21 time, two time. 20 is two time. 21. How many times 21 is there? 21. 21 is 0 time. Not here 21. Next 22. 22. 1. Next 2 times. 22 is 2 times. 23. How many times 23? 23 is only one time. Only one time is there. 24. 24 one time, two time, three time. Only three time is there. Three time. Next 25. 20 time is what? 25 one, two times. It is two times is there. This is frequency distribution table. One side is obtained marks, one side is students. Therefore, how many students are here? 20 students are here. 1, 2, 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 15, 15 plus 3 is 18, 18 plus 2 is 20. Therefore, this is your frequency distribution table. Okay, you can write in this slide frequency distribution table as well as your group data, ungrouped data. And also, the next one is what? In your grouped data and ungrouped data. What are the grouped data? The next one, example number 6-1, or you can take anyone, 7-1. The collection of even numbers less than 30. Therefore, you can write in your all even numbers. Therefore, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, next 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, only 20. These all are even numbers less than 30. Therefore, you can write in all in your row wise only ungrouped data. You can write in the group data in the frequency distribution table. And also you can write in your tally marks also. Therefore, one side is even numbers. Even numbers. Frequency distribution table on this all data. The first one is what? Even numbers are here. Numbers. How many numbers are here? Otherwise, you can write in even numbers are the first column what? Class interval. You can learn about class interval. Next one, 0 to 5. Next, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30. This is your class interval. In the class interval, how many even numbers are here? This is what? Even numbers are. Otherwise, you can consider this is tally marks also. Tally. And this one is what? Even numbers. Right, this slide. Therefore, this is your class interval. What is the meaning of class interval? The class interval is the collection of group wise. The collection of data is in a group. Only 0 to 5. How many even numbers are here? 0 to 5. Only 1, 2. Only 2 are here. You can write tally marks in this type. Only 2 even numbers. Next, collection of even numbers between only 5 to 10 in the second class interval, 5 to 10. 1, 2, only 2 numbers are here, 2 tally marks, 2. Again, this is also 2 this also 2. Next 2 is the 2 tally, 2 is the. This is not here. Therefore, these all are frequency distribution table. Okay, how many even numbers are here in less than 30? Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 numbers are here, na? Check yourself. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are here. Okay. In this group, one is mistake is there. That is what? 0 to 5 is how many even numbers are here? Only 2 numbers. Next, 5 to 10. 5 to 10, how many numbers are here? 6, 8, 10 also including in this class interval. This is 2 is the, this one is 3. What about next? 15 to 10 to 15. 10 to 15 is what? 10 to 15. 10, 12 is the, 14 is the, only two numbers are here, two number. Next one is what? 15 to 20. 15 to 20 means 16 is the 18 and also 20 is also including this class interval. Therefore, three numbers are here. This is 3. The next one is what? 20 to 25. Only two numbers are here. 22 and 24. Only two numbers. The last one is what? 25 to 30. Only two numbers are here. Therefore, total number of students is what? Only 20. Sorry, 14. Number of your numbers. Total number of your number is 14. Is that? This is your class interval. This is your frequency distribution table. This is also one class interval. Is that? Dear students, you will learn about class intervals. These are all class interval. You can rearrangement of the given data in the group wise. This is class interval, the first class interval and second class interval, third class interval. This like is the dear student, in the class interval, the some concepts are here. In the class interval, you can consider the lower limit and upper limit is there. These all are lower limits. Lower class interval. Lower means that is next, these are upper class limits. This is upper limits. Upper limits are upper class interval. This is lower class intervals are. And also lower class interval and upper class interval. In the class intervals, total is class intervals are here. Otherwise CI, capital letter CI is the, this is CI. And also, what is the width of the class interval? What is the width of the class interval? And also, this class interval is main concept is the all intervals are the width is same. That is width is same is the because 5 minus 0 is 5, 10 minus 5 is 5, 15 minus 10 is 5, 20 minus 15 is 5, 25 minus 20 is 5. 30 minus 25 is also 5. These all are 5, 5, 5 difference is that this is width. Width of the class interval is 5 is the. Width of the class interval is 5. Therefore, in the frequency distribution table, you can learn about class intervals, lower limit, upper limit, and also class width of the class. Width of the class intervals. And also, this one is what? Frequency distribution table. Frequency. This is tally mass. You can learn about this like concept in your frequency distribution table. And also, next one example is the we can construct frequency distribution table among the given data. This data is weight of 20 students. You can using the class interval that is given 30 to 35, 35 to 40. You can take this like frequency distribution table. This is also most important in your 8th standard. 3 marks or 4 marks questions in your examinations. You can write one side is class interval. Solution is what? Solution class interval. One side is class interval. Class interval. Class interval. Class interval. The next one side is what? Tally mass. Tally. Tally you can write otherwise no problem. Next one is what? Weight or students. Students are otherwise frequency. Students are otherwise frequency. Frequency is denoted by F. Next class interval. You can take 30 to 35. The next again 35 to 40. Next you can take, you know about the range. Range means the lower limit, lower data to the highest. Lower to highest. The which one is the biggest number? 60, 65. Only 65 is there. Only 65 is there. You get it up to 65, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70. This like one table is there. You can write therefore put the all data How many students are here in the height? How many students are here in the height? Therefore, first 30 to 35. You can consider 35 in this one. You can remove in this one. But otherwise, you can consider it only 35. You can write only 32. Only how many? Width of the class interval. What is the width of the class interval? Or otherwise, 30 is the lower limit. Upper limit is 35. The width of the class interval is 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Only 5 is the class interval. 5. Therefore, in 30. Any 30 now? 38 is the 30. Where is 30? 31 is here. 33. Next. 34. Only 3 students are here. 3 students. That is 3. Next. In between 35 to 40. 35 is lower limit. 40 is upper limit. Next. 35 to 34. 40. 40 is here only. 40 consider only this one because 35, 40, sorry 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Only 5 is width. Therefore 35 to 40. 31 to 3 is the. This class interval also 3 is the 3. What about next? 40 to 45. 1, 2, 3, 4. But in this one more is the 30 to 35 is one more is the, that is 39 is the 39. Therefore, this also one is the, that is 4 is the, therefore this is 4. The next one is what? 40 to 45. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 is there. This also only 4. Next one is what? 45 to 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is there. 5 students. 4. 5 write this line. Next. 5. Next. 50 to 55. 50 to 55 is what? 50 to 55 1. 55 is not here. Only 1. Only 1 is there. It is 1. Next 55 to 60. 55 to 60. 60 is not here. 60 is here. 55 1. Only 1 is there. Only 1. Next 60 to 65. 60 to 65 only 1. Next only 1 is there. Only 1. Next 65 to 70 only 1. Only 1. That is only 1. 1. Got it? This like this is your frequency distribution table. Count yourself. Verification of your table. How many students are here? 20 students. You can check your all n value. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 6. Sorry, 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. Your answer is, your table is right. Next one, last one example is that. Check yourself. Last one. Last one is construction of histogram. Dear student, in your previous class you learned about only the bar graph, double bar graph. You can learn about only this line. In this one also you learn about only histogram. Construction of histogram by the given class interval. And also you learn about pictograph also in your previous class. In your this is bar graph, this is y-axis and x-axis. The starting is 0, next 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. The last one is highest one is 60 is enough one. This side is what? X-axis is the class interval. That is what? Histogram is the only class interval CR. This is CR class interval. In this side is what? Frequency is the. This is frequency. This is frequency or F. In this one, the smallest number is 1 is the biggest number is what? 21 is the. You can take scale. Take scale up to 21. You can take 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. This like is that. You can scale. You can take scale this like scale. Scale in x-axis. 1 unit is equal to 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Next, y-axis. Y-axis 1 unit is equal to, or otherwise you can take no problem. Or 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. This like is the math. Right. 0 to 10. 0 to 10. How many students are here? 2 is there. Only you can take 2. This like 2 is there. First one is O. This is 2. Next one is what? 10 to 20. How many frequencies is there? 10 is there. 10. Where is 10? This is 10 is there. No? This is 10. This is. Next one is what? 20 to 30. 21 is there. 21 in the middle. This is 21, 2, 10, 21. Next one is what? 30 to 40. How many frequencies? 19 is there. 18 and 20. In between 18 and 20, 90 is there. In between. 90. What about next? 50 and 40. 40 and 50. 7 is there. 7 is in between 6 and 7. 6 and 8. This is 7. What about last one? Only 1 is there. 1 is what? 1 is in between 0 to 1. 0 to 2 is in between, only 1 is there. In between. This is the one. This is 1. This is your frequency distribution table. Frequency distribution table through, this is histogram. Histogram is also most important in your class, and is also 4 marks in your examination. Okay, practice more examples. I shall continue next class.